For over a decade, the premium laptop market has followed a painfully predictable routine. It is a never-ending cycle of minor upgrades. Tech giants give us a slightly thinner border, a marginally faster processor, or a new keyboard switch, while charging a massive premium for what is essentially the exact same machine year after year. But behind the heavy security gates and ultra-secret design labs in Cupertino, Apple has done something completely unhinged. They didn't just update the MacBook line. They dismantled it, rewrote the rules of physics, and created an entirely new category of portable computing. The supply chain has fractured, the internal blueprints have completely leaked, and the stunning truth is out. This is not a regular update, this is not an incremental refresh, and this is definitely not just another silver aluminum shell. This is the official birth of the Apple MacBook Neo 2, and it is about to send absolute shockwaves through the entire global tech industry. To truly grasp why this specific laptop is causing absolute panic and chaos among rival tech manufacturers, you have to understand the massive, desperate struggle happening inside the world of portable hardware right now. Laptops have hit a brutal physical brick wall. If a company wants to make a laptop incredibly powerful, it turns into a heavy, thick brick with loud fans that dies after 3 hours of battery life. If they want to make it thin and light, they have to severely castrate the performance, leaving professionals struggling with rendering times and frozen screens. But Apple has spent the last few years quietly engineering a master plan, waiting for the perfect breakthrough in silicon architecture to completely merge these two worlds. The rumors from the high-level supply lines confirm that Apple is completely abandoning the traditional naming conventions and stepping into the future with a machine that shouldn't legally exist. They are introducing a laptop that combines extreme desktop-grade graphics with a body so impossibly thin it defies logic, creating a device that forces you to question why you would ever own a traditional computer again. Let's dive straight into the absolute mind-melting centerpiece of the MacBook Neo 2, the display technology. Just when you thought laptop screens couldn't possibly get any better, Apple has engineered a visual masterpiece that completely alters human perception. This is the world's first dual-panel, rollable holographic mini-LED screen ever packed into a consumer laptop. When the first manufacturing blueprints leaked from the display factories, industry analysts thought it was a flat-out lie. But the engineering is real. The main display features a pristine, borderless 16-inch canvas that pushes an unparalleled 7K resolution. The contrast ratio is near infinite, offering pure, deep blacks that mimic the darkness of space, contrasted against a blinding peak brightness that lets you edit HDR content perfectly under direct, blasting afternoon sunlight. But the real magic happens when you activate the secondary layer. The display utilizes an advanced microscopic optical matrix that allows it to project true, three-dimensional holographic depth directly into the air above your keyboard. This isn't a cheesy gimmick. It is a completely integrated workflow paradigm shift. If you are an architect designing a building, a medical engineer analyzing a 3D organ scan, or a game developer sculpting a virtual world, you can literally pull assets off the flat screen and view them as interactive 3D objects hovering in space, right in front of your face. You can rotate them with your hand,